I will talk about how can you add IP domain on your app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is, so you just you go here above this sign, you click on it here. So then it's, sorry, you go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on IP domain here, just click on it. Then you come to next CP here, and here can you add your IP domain here in this list. Can you select it, and you just click on it, then automatically it's going to add with you here on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.